Hi there, this is Carol from the Facebook group, and we're here to do exercise 7, creating a clustered column and line chart. Okay, so it says charts are visual representations of data. Charts are useful because they often make it easier to understand the data because users can pick out patterns and trends that are illustrated in the chart that are otherwise difficult to see. For this exercise, you will analyze the changes in stock price for 5 different airlines. The data is provided to you. Go to the Business 1000 Excel student spreadsheet and click on sheets labeled line chart. Alright, so this is how it looks like. And in the bottom, you can see there's different tabs. Click on line chart, and then this is how it looks like. Alright, let's go back and let's just skip to instructions. First step is to select the range B1 to F6. So there's 2 different ways. One way, click B1 and then drag to F6 by holding the left button of the mouse. Another way is click B1 and then holding shift, click F6, and then you highlight everything. Alright, going back. The second step is on the Insert tab in the Charts group. Choose Column and select Clustered Column. Alright, so what you gotta do is click Insert, and then you see Columns, and then find Clustered Columns, which is that, and then this appears. Okay, so the third step is right-click on the graph and click Select Data. In the section that says Legend Entries, parentheses, Series, click on Series 1, then click on Edit, and change to August 2014. Change the remaining 4 series to the correct month. I think they spelled remaining wrong, but it's alright. So let's go back to our chart, and then we click Select Data. And after that, we see Series 1. Press Edit and type in the full name, August 2014. Press Enter, and then this would appear, a shortcut of saying August. And now, if you don't know what to put for Series 2, just follow this, the chart. So the next series is September 14. So let's type that fully, and that would appear. Continue with October. Then November, and lastly December. After everything, press OK. Okay, going back, the next step is on the Chart Tools Layout tab, choose Chart Title and select Above Chart. Label the chart Stock Price Change. So going back to our graph, on the very top there's a Layout tab. Click that, and then you'll see Chart Title. Click that, and then you're going to see Above Chart. When you click that, this appears. Replace that with Stock Price Change. Okay, after that, your next step is on the Chart Tools Layout tab. Choose Axis Title, select Primary Horizontal Axis Title, and select Title below Axis. Label the horizontal axis Airline. So let's go back, and again click on Layout, and then click on Axis Title and Horizontal, and then click on Title below Axis. Replace that and write Airline. Made a mistake, I wrote Airlines, but I'm correcting myself, and I'm gonna write Airline. After that, let's go back and read the next step. On the Chart Tools Layout tab, choose Axis, choose Primary Horizontal Axis, select More Primary Horizontal Axis options. In the Axis Labels drop box, select Low. So let's go back, and now click Layout, Axis, Horizontal, and More Options. After that, you're gonna see axis label, click low, and then close that. Next step, on the Chart Tools Layout tab, choose Axis Title, select Primary Vertical Axis Title, and select Rotated Title. Label the vertical axis %change. So going back to our chart, click on Layout again, and then click on Axis Titles. After that, click on Vertical, and then click on Rotated Title. Then this appears. Replace that with %change. Okay, going back, it says change the style of the chart to bring attention to the most important aspects of the data and contrast different areas of the chart. Select styles on the Chart Tools Design tab. Choose Chart Styles and select Style 34. So click on the graph top, you can click on Design or Chart Tools, and then you're going to see a row that says Chart Styles. And now we're going to be finding 34. So click that, and then try to find 34. There you go. That's how it looks like. So the next step. Changing the chart type can help the user interpret the patterns and trends in the data by viewing it in a different way. Change chart type. On the Chart Tools Design tab, choose Change Chart Type and select Line with Markers. So going back, click on the graph and click on Design. On the top left corner, click on Change Chart Type, and then a window appears. On the lines, find Line with Markers. When you click that, this appears. And with that change, we can answer the questions. So this is how it looks. And question 1 says, which airline did not experience a decline in stock price? So analyze the chart. There's 5 airlines too. If this doesn't help, you can always switch back to the original chart. Or you could look at the top left and see the actual data. Either way, it will help. So what we found was that Ryanair is the one that did not experience a decline in stock price. Okay, so let's go to question 2, and it says, what month had the highest stock price change? So let's look back and analyze. And the answer is November. Third question says, which airline showed the greatest change in stock prices from August to December 2014? So it's specifically asking August to December. So looking back, everything is in different colors, so it's easier to identify. And we chose Delta Airlines. Okay, last question. When did American Airlines have a negative % change in stock price? So I'm going back and I'm trying to look for a negative. And if turns out it's September 2014. So that's the last part. Everything is done. That's the final results. This is how it should look. Hope everything was pretty easy for you guys. Hope it was easy for you guys to follow along. And thanks for watching. Bye.